There's the Skyline Tower at night, there's the Festival of Lights, and there's Niagara Falls, and there's a park. Here's the Niagara Falls Festival of Lights 2022 edition. Oh, 2023! Here's the Niagara Falls Festival of Lights. See, here's the lights, and across the street is the Niagara Falls. There's a sky view on the background. And this is very gorgeous. It looks like a frozen bank. There's the Skyline Tower. There's a rainbow, a haunted tree, and the falls again. The falls, they're like a white pattern tonight. It's like flashing lights, and then you got the green Christmas trees. Even though this is filmed in February on my birthday, and the Skyline Tower is kind of like St. Patrick's Day with the green. And you got red trees, purple, everything. Oh, it's out of focus. This is just magical. Look at that. It's like Christmas in February. The Skyline Tower. That's really freaky. There's a flashing light over here. It's a city light, but it looks like it's possessed. Look at that. That is really cool. Look at that. There's a Christmas tree. Look at this. This is really cool, but there's nothing talking about it. And then you got the Skyline Tower again, and like Christmas tree heaven over there. And there's the falls again. Skyline Tower. Look at that 90s Mercedes. Here's the lights. So on the right are the lights. On the left is the falls, and here's the second set of falls. And then it's more lights over here. Look at that. Merry Christmas in February. There's a gigantic star on the top of that. It didn't show up on this phone, but that is really nice. This looks like a scene right out of a Christmas movie. Look at that. Looks kind of futuristic. You got the first set of falls, the second set of falls up here. Skyline Tower looks pretty cool in the back. Oh, there's all the Christmas stuff. Keith? Oh, no. Look at them. Whoa, there's a Santa house up there. That is really cool. There's 2 sets of gingerbread dudes. There's a candy cane. And then look at that, it's a Santa's village. Oh, there's the falls over there. That is really cool. Wow, I found Santa's house in the North Pole. That is really cool. Right under the star. Follow the star and find the North Pole. Santa's house. Blade Runner lights. Northern lights, wow. Little ladies van. Oh, this is my favorite when the falls are like this, like a rainbow. Magical, just like Disneyland. Look at the falls. Wow, that's a giant leaf. I wonder what tree it fell off of. There's the falls. They're like a Miami pink now. That's cool. There's the Ferris wheel. Interesting. Oh, this does the same thing. Look at that. So cool.
We have our music. It's like 100 pictures a day.